Last weekend, we attended the Oklahoma Centennial Botanical Garden's Centennial Celebration. The planned garden will encompass 215 acres surrounding the Post Oak Lodge and Conference Center, northwest of Tulsa. Situated atop a ridge, the site offers a spectacular view of downtown Tulsa. A number of activities took place during this celebration, including the dedication of a new nature trail. Display booths in the lodge showcased new and unusual plants from growers across the state. There were also informational stations on conservation and educational topics, and a mini trade show. A series of lectures were also held throughout the day. The festivities also included a variety of workshops and activities for garden enthusiasts, both young and old. We stopped by a number of these demonstrations, including a special wildflower seeding station. One of the events they have here today at the Centennial Celebration is the Mudball wildflower planting. Kim Shannon from the Oklahoma Native Plant Society is here to tell us about this.
Yeah, in order to get the kids involved at the opening celebration here, we're having some native wildflower seeds, mixing it in with the mud so the kids can get their hands all dirty, and a combination of Indian blanket, the Gaillardia pachella, that's our state wildflower, right. And then a little bit of black-eyed Susan that you've got there in your bag.
Let's get a look at these seeds.
Yeah, and then also a little mixture of some purple coneflowers in there too, just a little variety.
Okay, so what are we going to do now?
Let's throw, let's work on this one. Yeah, each throw our little seeds in. There's some purple coneflower already mixed in here, and I think we can just dive in and start mixing.
Okay, so we're going to mix the seeds into the mud here.
Yeah.
Nice and gooey.
And then with this combination of seeds, there'll be a little longer blooming time, and the purple coneflower in here can handle a little bit more of a shady spot. So hopefully they'll have a good germination with these.
Excellent. Okay, and we want to make rather small balls.
Yeah, not too big. We've been telling them like big marble size, even that's a little too big. Sometimes I end up having to break them in half. And
okay.
Yeah.
The kids look like they're having a lot of fun out here.
Yes.
Throwing these around.
A good excuse to get all dirty.
Okay. Well, thanks for demonstrating with me.
Yep, thank you.
We hope many of you also made it out to the celebration and to view the spectacular grounds surrounding Post Oak Lodge. We saw a number of familiar faces and enjoyed a day full of festivities. Well, that's all the time we have this week. Be sure to join us again next week on Oklahoma Gardening.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.